View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome everyone to the tranquil haven of 9 Windward. This home, priced at an affordable $160,000 by the time of recording this video, offers you the luxury of carefree living with the added bonus of water access to a dramatic 2,300 feet of private community waterfront on Holmes Bay. As we step inside, we are greeted by an open and inviting floor plan that exudes warmth and comfort. The solid wood floors underfoot and the abundance of natural light streaming in create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. The first floor is a testament to thoughtful design and functionality. It boasts a sizable living room, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening. Adjacent to it is the eat-in kitchen, where you can whip up culinary delights. A convenient half bath and mudroom complete the first floor amenities. Double doors from the living room lead onto a private back deck, offering a serene spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. As we ascend to the upstairs, we find 3 well-appointed bedrooms, promising restful slumber. A generously sized bathroom ensures no one's morning routine is disrupted, and a dedicated laundry room adds to the home's practical features. Storage is plentiful throughout the condo, ensuring all your belongings have a place. The neighborhood is quiet and peaceful, with the Beachwood Bay waterfront just a short walk from home. One of the highlights of this community living is the inclusion of lawn maintenance and snow removal in the association dues, allowing you to truly embrace a carefree lifestyle. Welcome to affordable community living at its best. Welcome to 9 Windward. If you would like to know more about this home, please click on the link in the description under Property Link.